Hello, this is Victor Santana with Stock Hunters video for September 19th. Hope everybody's doing well. Let's go and take a look at what the markets are trying to tell us. Here we are looking at the total U.S. market, TMW, and as you can see here, we have been making pretty much a flat pattern here, going back and forth, trying to decide if we're going to be breaking up further the upside or going down to this general area. As you can see, we got the gap and trading sideways. We're looking at our indicator here, a new indicator for this week, and as you can see, we are on the top end of the range, so we just got to be careful. As you can see, we have a lot of resistance up in here. We're trading right along the side, right in here, if I could draw a straight line, that is. But so let's keep an eye on it, and if we break down around in this area here, or if you want to be extra conservative down in this area, then we would then consider getting out of the market under the total U.S. market here. Now let's go over to the Dow, and as you can see with the Dow, we did break above this trend line over here, and but we still have some further to go up above in this area, so we might go a little bit higher if it comes to that, and we broke it right above here. As you can see here, we are on the upper end and kind of crawling down, so that's to be of concern. So I would put our stops here right around in this area, the 105, in case if it breaks further, we get out and just wait for a next correction. Now let's go to the next one, which is NASDAQ. And with NASDAQ, as you can see, it's just been going straight up, and it is really probably going on fumes right now, right about. But it did break above, which is a good sign, and trading high. However, as you can see here, we are overextended, so any new positions we should wait for a pullback here, and before considering to get in. So let's go to the next one. And this is the Russells, small caps. It usually leads the market, and we did have a resistance up here through this channel. We did break above it with the gap, trading sideways. So we've been bumping our heads up here in this area, so we could break above this area, then we can continue up. However, we may get a pullback maybe down to this general area here. So to be safe here, I would put an exit right in this area, right below these wicks, and then wait for the next pullback before considering getting in. And looking at the global market, we did break above this channel line here, this trend line, which is a wedge, and as you can see, we are trading sideways again up in this area. Best that we put an exit at the most right in this area, or if you want to be conservative, right below in this area here. So let's just keep an eye and see which way the market. Keep in mind that we are overextended here, as you can see. So normally we want to go back and get them at the pullbacks right in this area here. So we'll just wait and let our profits run up and get in at these dips. Alright, so now I got 3 picks for the week, and we're looking at the first one here, which is the metals. Basically, metals had a pretty good run up, so now considering shorting the metals, Then we have Independent Oil and Gas, Southwestern Energy, and this Russian wireless technology company, Vimpel. So let's go ahead and take a look at each of them, at their charts. And you can see it on their chart here. It's been going down on the BOOM, B-O-M. That is the symbol. Actually, I should write this down here. If I could write B-O-M. Okay, so we got an entry signal in this area up here. Do notice that we do have a divergence where this indicator is trending up while prices were trending down. So, and then we also not too long ago gotten a hammer signal on this candle. So this looks very favorable. Would consider getting in above the 1650 if it reaches there, and put a stop right at the 15 area or slightly lower. If you want to be a little more aggressive, you could enter right in this area here and try to catch the wave up here. Again, we are looking for trending upward, and this kind of moved down. So there's an opportunity there. We're going to go to the next one, which is SWN, which is Southwestern Gas. And again, on this one, we're going to type that in there, SWN. That's a lot more neater. And it has been trending downward here. We did get an entry signal here, just basically like so here. The prices have been going down, and we do see not much of a divergence here, so I won't even mention that. But I do like this candle pattern here that's developed down in this range here. So consider getting in at $33 or higher. We break above that and then put a stop right here in this area just below this candlestick. Alright, so that's the one. And then the final one is it's a Russian wireless company, Vimpel, and the stock symbol is VIP. And this one's also been trending downward. We did get a touch of this signal here, so we may be getting a bounce fairly soon. So we'll go ahead and put an entry right above this wick here, and then set our stop right below under this wick here. I'll let you guys go in and figure out what the cost on that is here, but these are general ideas. So that's what we got for our picks, and that's pretty much it for now. Until next time, we could watch the videos and go from there.